Let me get the inside of this bitch. Yep, go.
Good?
Mm-hmm. Get on there straight.
If you want to start to lower it, I'll hold it.
Ready?
Yep.
It's going to go forward though, because it's going to go down.
Yep. Wait, stop. Hold that side of the tank.
Yeah.
Just get the filler neck out.
Good?
Go down one more. All right, stop. Go next out.
Okay, hold it, hold it, hold it. Got it?
Yep.
All right, now hold the straps forward.
Let me get this one done.
Yeah, it should, the whole thing pulls straight up. Yeah, the white thing, yep. Perfect. Okay, push those straps forward. There we go. Okay, you're good now. Lower it down, and then just help me walk it out. It's on the drill. And we are cleaning the underside of Tim's car, prepping it for some etch primer and paint. So then we're gonna do the same thing to the engine bay. So Brent said it's really nice. It's not that greasy. It just looks rough. Just a lot of surface rust. There's a little bit of grease right here, but nothing major. Not like half these other cars. So we're just getting it done. So anyway, we're gonna check back in a little bit and get some of the stuff cleaned up, and we'll show you guys, I guess, spraying some of it.
All right, you having some fun?
All right, Tim, I'm so sad to say, for one, there's 3 different size Allen head bolts. For 2, half of them were finger tight. For 3, when we drained it, a lot of water came out, and we got a lot of rust in here. Look at that. Lots of rust from it sitting. Strange axles. We're gonna paint the rear and do axle seal, but there was a lot of moisture in there.
Yep.
So I don't know what to do. So I'm texting Tim right now. I mean, we could clean it up, but I don't really know what to do on that. What do you think, Brent?
We're just gonna have to wait to see what the owner says. Good old Timmy.
Are you gonna say something?
No.
All right, guys, we're doing a little bit different on video here. We have the GoPro because our Canon G7X Mark II officially broke. So I know a bunch of you guys were giving a shit about the autofocus and stuff, but she's gone. Totally broke, so we gotta buy a new one, and we haven't done it yet. So I'm using the GoPro right here. So we haven't filmed in what, probably 2 weeks?
Yeah, 2 weeks.
So we've done a lot. So here is Tim's car right here, and we painted the entire underside. So I got the light right here so we can see, because I don't think I can change the settings on the brightness and stuff on this GoPro, so it probably looks kind of dark. What do you think, John? You like it?
Yeah, it's hot.
Let me get the other light real quick, see if this will work. Alright, so entire underneath of the car was scrubbed, edge primed, degreased, all that stuff. We flattened out the pinch welds right here, so now they're straight. They were all tore up. You guys know how they are whenever you jack them up on the side and stuff. So anyway, this is Tim's 92LX, and this is original green. It's a deep jewel green, I think that's what you call it. And the code is PA, same as this 7-Up car right here. We'll show you guys that in a minute. So anyway, this is the one that we pulled the rear end out. You guys saw in the video before the camera broke, and his gears were all rusted. So we're getting new gears in the mail this week. It's Monday right now, and we're kind of just waiting on that. He ordered new brake lines. We're going to reuse his fuel lines. We're going to repaint them. We got brand new gas tank we're going to install today. I didn't paint the inside right here, or the outside of the engine bay, because I'm not done with the engine bay yet. So we'll do that next, and you have an awesome little line right here so you can tape, so there's actually no line. It's just a different panel, which is perfect. That's how I always do it. That's how I did Babs on the blue car convertible, if you guys seen that. So then we have the 92 Reef Blue Kevin's over here. It's all ready to actually start welding up, and then mud in the engine bay. We're not putting Scott Rod panels on this. We are going to just do kind of like I did on my Foxbody notch over here, the Avalanche Gray one. So we're prepping the parts right now to paint. We already got the hood over here ready to cut in from the bottom, and then already painted some stuff in the paint booth, some brackets and stuff that got painted black. So today I'm going to fill in the license plate holes, since they're from Ohio, so we're just gonna fill those in, and I guess he's just not gonna run a front plate. But we cleaned all the bolts and everything. All this stuff's ready to be etch primed and then sprayed, so that's all good. So it's just really weird filming with this GoPro because I'm so far away, and you can look at that. It looks like I'm so far away. So anyway, we got the 98 GT out here. We degreased it. We're gonna start taking it apart. That way we can take it to the frame, put it on the frame rack, and pull it and straighten everything back out. Then we'll cut the old core support off, weld our new one in, but you have to pull first before you do any cutting. So that's what we got to do right now, get it ready to cut, take the wiring harness out, the intake off, stuff like that. Easy stuff. These people are actually local, and they actually bought the Austin's been driving this. His mom bought it fairly when it was a couple years old, so they've had it for a long time. So we're going to repaint the whole thing, and they're going to love it. You won't even be able to tell it's been wrecked. We're going to order all the new stickers like we always do. You guys know how it is. Then we just pulled all these cars out today. Then we have Tony's right here, 15. We're going to put lowering springs on it, and then fix the fender and repaint the front bumper. He had a hit and run, so he came from almost by Cincinnati, Ohio, and or near that area. So we're going to do that, take care of that. And then we got Brian's notch out here that's waiting for the lift. So as soon as we get this off the lift, we're going to be pulling Bruce's engine out, and then pulling Brian's out, and it's just going to be Foxbody heaven here for the next probably month or so. But we do have that 98 SN95 as well. So then yesterday we had Eric drop his 7-Up edition car off. Hey John, come pop the hood on that. So we're gonna make him get new headlights. These are all faded. And we're going to fill the holes in the front, block the hood because you can see the sand scratches and stuff like that. He's got the 10th anniversary mags, SVE brakes, all that. So we're going to put a white top on it. I'm sure he's got all new carpet and stuff like that. He's got the Pro Charger on it right now. I think they said they were making right at 500. They had to detune it. And we're going to repaint the engine bay because someone spray painted it black. So we're going to pull the engine, paint it all up, make it look brand new. Put all new bolts on it, all new hardware, new rivets in the front bumper right here, all that. So this one is awesome. This coat is PA as well, the deep jewel green or whatever, same as the LX up there on the lift. So it's pretty cool. We're doing 2 of them the same color. And then of course we got the reef blue, so we're gonna be doing green for the next month as well. So it's just Foxbody and green, so it's cool. So anyway, John just came all the way from Maryland to hang out.
How's it going?
So you guys seen him on a couple videos, so let's go outside and check out your car. All right, so you guys, if you guys are older subscribers, have been here a while, you guys have probably seen this car. We kind of stop by and say hey every time we're passing through like Maryland area, or when we're going to visit Mike with 3Es. So he came in, when did you come in? Saturday? Yeah, Saturday. So he's been here a full 2 days so far. So we took him spearfishing and jeeping yesterday, but none of you guys want to see none of that. So if you guys followed us on Snapchat, that was yesterday. So anyway, we have the headlight missing because his HID is out, so we took the headlight out. We're going to put stock headlights back in it so we don't get pulled over. So anyway, he's got the what is it, the HO fiber trim cowl hood, same as Chris Ladd's on the Mystic that we did. So we just need to paint correct it and ceramic coat it. He's got the export tail lights that everybody loves. You know how the fanboys all, they love that. He's got IRS exhaust with a solid rear axle. So we'll show more of this car. He's got the 03 Cobra top. We'll go over it all.
Export mirrors.
Yeah, export mirrors. We're gonna put on all that stuff. Tomorrow's the car's birthday, so we'll do a celebration tomorrow and the next video coming up. So we'll do a burnout or something, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, so there's more of this coming up. And we're gonna get back in the shop and get some work done. So we're gonna install the gas tank right now on Tim's car, and we'll see what we get into today, so stay tuned.